Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the basics of Java programming. Okay, so practically I'm going to begin the Java programming for your class. Okay, so first of all, what is the syntax for Java programming? How to write Java programs? Okay, so before that I'm going to tell you where to write Java program. Okay, there is a software called BlueJ. BlueJ is a software which is used to write program. Okay, and it is used to write the beginner level programs. Okay, सीखने के लिए प्रोग्रामिंग we are using this BlueJ software. And what is a BlueJ software? BlueJ is a third party software. What is the meaning of third party software? That means it runs on the base of another software. Okay, so as you know, there is two types of software: application software and the system software. System software is the software with the help of which we use to run the computer, and the software which runs on the system software is called application software. Now what is third party software? Third party software runs on the application software. मतलब दो उसको चलाने के लिए किसी एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प चाहिए होती है. ओके, सो दिस सॉफ्टवेयर BlueJ needs two type of software. One is called JDK, and if there is no JDK in your computer, then you're not able to execute Java program using BlueJ. Now what is the JDK? ये किस चिड़िया का नाम है? JDK is called Java Development Kit. It is JDK. Okay, so Java Development Kit is the software with the help of which you are able to run the BlueJ software, and BlueJ software is run on the JDK. So JDK is installed. If firstly you have to install JDK, then you are able to install this BlueJ software. So BlueJ software is a third party software, and it is used to, first of all, used to write what? Write program, or you can say edit program. Okay, edit कर सकते हो, compile कर सकते हो इसको. What is meaning of compiling? Compiling means finding the errors. Okay, now और फिर इसको यहाँ से आप run कर सकते हैं. Run कर means run, that means execute. ओके, सो एग्जीक्यूट मीन्स आपको चेक कर सकते हो कि वो प्रोग्राम आपका सही चल रहा है या नहीं चल रहा है. सो दिस इज द BlueJ सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट, द मेन पॉइंट, द सिंटेक्स ऑफ जावा प्रोग्राम. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सिंटेक्स? एवरी लैंग्वेज हैज इट्स ओन सिंटेक्स, जस्ट लाइक द लैंग्वेज हैज इट्स ओन ग्रामर ना. तो ग्रामर को ही यहाँ पे जो लैंग्वेज के जो आप लैंग्वेज यूज करते हो उसका एक ग्रामर होता है, और उस ग्रामर को ही हम कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में सिंटेक्स बोलते हैं. ओके, सिंटेक्स मीन्स हाउ टू राइट द लैंग्वेज, हाउ टू राइट द प्रोग्राम. ओके, कुछ प्री डिफाइंड रूल्स होते हैं. इंग्लिश में भी इंग्लिश ग्रामर पढ़ते हो, हिंदी में हिंदी ग्रामर पढ़ते हो, हिंदी व्याकरण पढ़ते हो. ओके, सो हर लैंग्वेज को यूज करने के अपने कुछ रूल्स होते हैं. दैट रूल्स इज कॉल्ड द सिंटेक्स. हाउ टू राइट प्रोग्राम, हाउ to run the program, what are the basic points what we have to take care in the mind. Okay, all these things are called the syntax of the program. So now I'm going to write the syntax of the program. Be careful, you have to follow these syntax step by step and carefully. Okay, so first of all you need to write class and class name. I will give the example later on. This firstly write the syntax only. Okay, this is syntax of Java program. Okay, then you need to write public static void main. Okay, further I will use this bracket. I used to write there something in this bracket, but for the not now, till now you just write this one. Okay, now here data type and variables. Output statement. Now close the bracket. Okay, so this is the syntax of the Java program, like class name, public static void main, data type, variables, output statement, etc. Okay, so there are certain new words are there, that is data type, variables and output statement. So today I am going to tell you about these data types, variables and output statement. Okay, so first of all, data type. What is data type? That means type of data we are going to use in the program. Okay, किस टाइप के डेटा को आप यूज कर रहे हो. तो अब बोलो सर डेटा टाइप मतलब टाइप ऑफ डेटा क्या होता है. ओके, सो लाइक नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं लिखने के लिए. नंबर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, होल नंबर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, डेसिमल नंबर्स यूज कर सकते हैं, लेटर भी यूज कर सकते हैं और वर्ड भी यूज कर सकते हैं. सो इन सबको कंप्यूटर पहचानेगा कैसे. सो इन जो लेटर्स हो गए, नंबर्स हो गए, all these are known as the data information for the computer, and the type of the data like whole number, decimal number and letters and words. Okay, they are specifically defined in the separate way, different way in the program. That way is called a data type. जिसके अंदर आप स्टोर करोगे वो data type होते हैं. तो first of all basically there are 4 types of data type used in Java. The first of all integer, and it is written as int. Second one is double. Third one is char, and the full form of char is character, and the last one is string. Okay, so one by one I am going to define this one. Int. What is meaning of int? Int means integer. Integer means what? Whole numbers. Whole number. Now double. In maths it is known as a decimal number, but here we used to call it fractional number. Okay, fractional means 1.5, 3.4. These type of numbers are called the fractional numbers. So fractional number, I can write here fractional. Okay, now character. Character is the letters. Okay, letters A B C D, capital A B C D, small a B C D. Okay, so these are the characters. So letters, for your understanding, letters. And what is string? String means what? Words. Okay, जो words आप यूज करते हो उसको यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? String. Okay, I'm going to write the example also. Whole number like 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 100, 3000. Okay, जो आयरन मैन देखते हो 3000 कुछ याद आया होगा. देखते हो ना आप लोग आयरन मैन, एंड गेम में लास्ट में बोलता है आयरन मैन. ओके, 3000 याद होगा तो. ओके, फ्रैक्शनल 1.5, 37.8, like this. Okay, then letters A, B, C, small a, small b, small e, and so on. वर्ड्स कुछ भी ले लो, मेरा नाम लिख लो. ओके, किसका नाम लिख दे? अनन्या. चलो ठीक. और कौन है? आरव. चलो, स्पेलिंग क्या आरव? अर्णव, सॉरी. ओके, सो और भी ऐसे. ओके, सो these kind of words. Okay, so words is called the string. So these are the example of data types. Now next one is, यहीं बंद करते क्या? चलो चलो. ओके, वेरिएबल्स पढ़ लो फिर छोड़ देते हैं, बंद कर देते हैं. ओके, सो वेरिएबल्स. So in variables there are two words are there. One is called vary and second one is called able. Vary plus able, that means changeable. चलो बंद कर देते. अच्छा, ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. Changeable. So something which is changeable is called the variable. So in the next video we will begin with this topic called variables. Okay, till then I request you to go through your book. Something is there, definition is there. Just go through your book's definition. You are able to understand what is the variable. Okay, I also give some PDF afterwards. Okay, so you may write the notes only. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.